Hi friends, today we're taking a look at this jump starter. So we're going to open this up, show you guys what you actually get, and then we're going to do a demo. We have a demo showing you guys how to hook it up, just a quick little demo for you, for those who don't know. I'm sure you guys already know, but it's 4,500 amps peak, all gas engines. It can go up to 10 liter for a diesel engine, which is crazy. 4,500 amps is high. And that's a good thing because that means it can jump very modded motors and heavy duty batteries and different vehicles like that. So this is it. I like it. It's long and sleek. You put your jumper cables in there for starting. Just press and hold. You got your display on here as well. You guys can also charge cell phones and different devices through here. Now, if you don't have nails, this might be a little tough to open. So, I wish they made that tab a little bit bigger. But that's okay. So, you charge the device in here. You can charge your cell phone with that USB port. And you can charge other devices. If we press and hold, turns on the emergency light. Got a couple modes on here. Overall, this is nice. I like it. So it's fully charged, so charge it to 99% before using it. Now we can take a look at the accessories. You got a nice manual, nice carrying bag. You can use it with a 12 volt, which is nice, so you can charge that. You got your Type-C to Type-C charging cable, Type-C to USB charging cable, and these are your alligator clamps. So let's take a look at this. A lot of people are wondering, boost. So boost is if your battery's completely dead, you would press and hold the boost, once everything's connected, once it's connected to your battery, once this is connected to the actual unit, you would press and hold boost, and that enters boost mode. That's good for completely drained batteries. So if your battery still has power, like you can still turn your key and it clicks, or you see lights in your vehicle, you probably don't need boost. Now, the alligator clamps, what we want to check is make sure it's copper. So it does look like the teeth are copper. You can know the knockoffs when they're not copper. The lines, it's hard to tell if the lines are actually copper or not. I do wish they used thicker gauge wire for this because, 4,500 amps, you should use a little thicker gauge wire. Now, it shouldn't be too much of an issue because you're not going to leave this connected that long, so the wire shouldn't heat up too bad. So we'll let it go just because it is a nice little unit here. All right, guys, so you just connect the positive to the positive and negative to the negative. So red positive, black negative. So we're going to go ahead and plug this in here once we have it connected.